In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best under-cabinet lights in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which under-cabinet lights is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, plug-in under-cabinet lighting. Brightly LED light. The LED under-closet light set is composed of two 12-inch light bars. Each light bar has 33 LEDs and also 400 lumens, covering a large range. The shade is best for in-depth work and kitchen food preparation. Slim as well as lightweight kitchen cabinet lights. The device is slim enough to be very discreet as soon as mounted. The light for the closet is the perfect, affordable answer to areas where you need a lot more light yet are on a spending plan. Dimmable USB work desk light with memory feature. It can adjust the illumination randomly on 10%-100%. You can change the brightness to the level that is comfortable for your eyes, which is wonderful. Not only that, it will certainly keep in mind the last setting used when you turn it on once again. Easy to mount. You can utilize the included dual-sided tape to connect the lights to anywhere. From there it is just an issue of connecting the lights together and also plugging them in. The plug-in light bar is little, lightweight, and is extremely simple to install on the area you want with the glue pads. Energy effective as well as convenience. LED means reduced energy or heat. The interior light bar has wonderful steel structures and is thin yet durable. This workbench light is terrific for lighting up any kind of room in your house or dormitory. You will enjoy the versatility of the USB socket, which can string up numerous strips onto a little USB button and just make use of one power electrical outlet. Here is the item number 4, ASOKO LED under cabinet light. The whole collection of cabinet lights is 1200 lumens, soft white daylight 4500 can illuminate any type of vignetting angle, no glow, no LED dots, no flicker. It is the perfect lights for kitchen area, counter, closet, wardrobe, sink, cabinet, television cabinet, rack and so forth. With a rotating button dimmer, you can readjust any type of degree of brightness you need. With the memory feature, no requirement to reset the brightness level after turning off the light, easier. No demand to employ any individual to set up the lights, simply utilize the solid magnetic clips and 3 million stickers. You can place the LED counter lights anywhere and also remove them anytime you need, or you can install them by the screw. All accessories are included. Packing. Made of lightweight aluminum and plastic, with a rust-proof and also corrosion-resistant safety covering, which assists to extend the life of cupboard lights. Frosted computer cover makes the light eye care. No glow, uniform luminosity. For safety, we upgrade the high-quality 12V to power the light. Save your worries. Utilizing only 1200 ward LED strips can supply high illumination of 1200 lm, which amounts to 2 ward fluorescent lamps, which can help reduce 85% energy intake. If anything fails with the light in 1 year, contact us directly. We will be here for you anytime you need. The item number 3, 54 LED motion sensor cabinet. This LED wardrobe lights with 54 light grains to adopt a brand new style and also production procedure. The LED lamp emits light on the side. The light is refracted to the light guide plate through the reflector and afterward equally dispersed on the lamp surface area through the diffuser plate. This light is brighter, however it is not glowing and the light is rather soft. This USB rechargeable LED under cabinet light is made of lightweight aluminum alloy. Integrated magnet to stick on any type of ironwork, This cordless movement sensor closet light can stick on any kind of ironwork, or you can utilize the included adhesive tape to tape as well as an iron sheet to stick on any type of non-iron article surface. When require fee or change location, you can take the storage room light off anytime. These stick-on closet lights have a 3-setting switch which is on-off G to set it always on, off, or motion sensing unit setting. Therefore, you can make use of these wardrobe lights as normal evening lights for closets, or cabinets, or drawer, or activity sensing unit lights. Under G mode as well as dark setting, these under cabinet lights will automatically sense human activity within 10 feet or 120-degree range as well as shut down automatically after 20 seconds of no motion. Number 2 in our list, Dimmable Touch Light. Dimmable brightness, brief touch for on or OFF, long touch for more vibrant, and also dimmer, steplessly flexible, and also it remembers your last brightness setup, no demand to change each time, risk-free for kids touching. Flexible angle. The closet light can adjust on the owner with 45, 90, and 135 degrees to meet light various angle needs. Convenient installation and portable. Attached is additional nickel-plated ferromagnetic, for non-metal surface use. The 3 million adhesives are updated type. Wireless mobile for anywhere, for wardrobe, under the closet, hallway, staircases, restroom, room, kitchen area, baby room, vehicle trunk, vanity mirror. 5-volt USB rechargeable integrated 2000 mAh big rechargeable battery. No requirement to acquire extra batteries, eco-friendly and conserve money. Free substitutes. We give a year service warranty. Simply call us if have any type of problem. Keep in mind, please bill it before initial usage. The top one in our list, Baseus 42 LED wireless under. 42 LED super bright wireless under cupboard lights, built-in 42 PCS power saving LED, 100 lumens, shade rendering index 84 RA, step-less lowering via touch control. Brightness as well as comfortable to light up dark spaces. It has actually passed the EU Blue Light RGO examination accreditation. Flexible illumination and shade temperature level, step-less dimming, 80-degree angle change, light shade memory feature, 3-degree brightness, 3-level color temperature, ideal for light in numerous environments. Max 24-hour long battery life, integrated 1800 mAh battery, rechargeable, USB-C powered. It just takes 3 or 4 HRS to totally billing. Simple TO install, click, no hardwired. Magnet straightens for simpler dealing with. It's magnetic and also directly adsorbs on the iron item surface area, simple to remove for altering location or charging. Or stick on anywhere as you need with the included 3 million magnetic strip base. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best under cabinet lights amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.